What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you why Snapseed is the best photo editing app of all time. So there's so much you can do with this. It's almost as good as Photoshop. So like whatever you did on your last photo, you can just apply that same edit, and that actually looks really good. I'm going to export that. And then I'm going to undo that. And let's start over with this. Let's go to portrait first, see what that looks like. And then let's go to details. Let's add a little bit of sharpening and details. Let's go in here and give it a little more ambience. And bring the brightness up a little bit. More ambience, a little saturation. Let me zoom in here. Oh, yeah. Sharpened it up a little bit more. So let's export that. And then after that, I'm going to show you a few more things you can do on Snapseed. Snapseed is the coolest photo editing app of all time. It's basically like having Photoshop on your phone. It's better than the Photoshop app. So we can crop in here, make this just a smaller portrait. Let's really crop it in. Export one of those too. So yeah, that's just some basic portrait editing on the Snapseed app. There's just so much you can do on this app. It's amazing. Let's go to healing. You know what? Let's take this orange cone out. Okay. So just like Photoshop, you can take out stuff that you don't want in the picture. So say I don't want this homeless guy in the picture. I just want this to be a blurry picture of trees. There we go. So yeah, that's Snapseed. Check it out on the App Store. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of content, reviews, tutorials, and videos about what I'm learning as I grow as a photographer, hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.